Hey everybody, sorry it's been a while. I'm gonna be doing like a taste testing kind of video. I'm gonna just easily get started. These regular and strawberry I have had. This one I recently opened. If you cannot tell, it is Namane, the original flavor. I just like it. There's those. Then I have High Pulse Sparkling, and I think it's in orange, I want to say. Because, like, I can read Japanese anyway. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's really, really good. It says Hey Sung on the top. Oh, that sound. It smells like oranges. Oh my god. Look at that mask. That actually tastes really good. Yep. I recommend getting this now. By the way, I got all these at like one of my local world markets. I don't know what this is called. If you know Japanese, tell me what this is called, but it's in the flavor of green tea. I'll find out. Hold on. I can't get it. That's why I hate doing this. By the way, I'm doing drinks first, then food. Like one of them I've had, but ukitakimasu. I love Japanese green tea. It's better than our green tea here where I live. Now it's food! Like a lot of this, like some of this food I have tried. So, Hello Pandas are out. My big gigantic box of Hello Pandas are out. And my Japanese style fresh udon noodles are out. I've had these before because my ex got them for me. First thing I want to do is my pake. I got cookies and cream and green tea. Sorry you guys can't really see me while I'm having to use my bedroom light, and it is terrible. I'm going to go with the green tea first. How do you open this? It's been a while since I've had pake. Especially like a different kind of flavor of pake. Oh, I can smell it. It smells good. This is green tea. Ukitakimasu. It literally tastes like what I just drank. It's so good. Sorry, I just had to eat that quickly. Cookies and cream. Sorry, I'm trying to rush through this, by the way, you guys. Oh, the sticks are like chocolate colored. Ukitakimasu. Yep. I was gonna get strawberry pake, but I'm like, no, I'm doing flavors I haven't done yet. These are good. Good notifications. Then I got these shrimp chips. These are the baked, and they're in the original flavor. They have these also in like with the green. That's the wasabi flavor. If I can open these. I'm gonna have to rip it inside probably. Oh, the smell of these. The smell is terrible. If I don't like these, I'll give them to a friend of mine. It just looks like a regular chip. Ukitakimasu. They're actually not that bad. They're actually not that bad. I'm so sad that I opened these, but they're Look Royals, and it's basically like chocolate with like filling inside of it. This one is strawberry, or Ichigo. Like, look how cute these little things are. Like, they're so small, but they're really good. Look at that, Kamas. I love these. I have to quit before I eat them all. Yeah, strawberry, cream, and chocolate. The box says. Okay. I'm happy I saved these for last. These are strawberry cakes. I like a lot of the Ichigo flavors. I literally love the Ichigo flavors so much. Oh, they're like little cakes. What? These are like, I'm gonna have to keep like the wrapper for this because this is, like, I can't. Like, they're individually like wrapped, you guys. Oh my god. I am like in the best mood now. Oh, they're so cute. Look how cute these things are. Like I said, sorry for the quality and everything. I'm using my iPad and I'm filming in my room with terrible lighting. But look at the Kamas. They're okay. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of them, but they're okay. By the way, this place is relatively very cheap. I forget what the name of it was called, but it's one of our world markets here in Indiana, and like if you go like to Castleton, it's around that place. There. But thank you guys so much for watching. I also wanted to let you guys know, if you haven't been seeing my Instagram post, I came out as gender fluid, but I'll be explaining that like in like the next video, probably tomorrow or something. But I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow, possibly. By the way, if you've also seen on like way earlier in my channel, I showed you guys kind of how to open a Naminé bottle, but that was like terrible, and like that was like one of my old Naminé bottles. But I'll probably show you guys how to open these, but I'll let you like update you guys on on a lot of stuff tomorrow. But I'll see you guys then. I love y'all. So I'll see you guys tomorrow possibly. But I love you. Bye.